Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Daddy Hinkles Marinade, the McCormick Grill Mates Zesty Herb Marinade Mix. If you love grilling or just want to elevate your meals, this is the perfect marinade mix for you. Whether you're cooking chicken, beef, seafood, or even vegetables, this versatile seasoning will bring out the best flavors and make your barbecue unforgettable. This marinade features a delicious blend of basil, garlic, onion, and a hint of jalapeno pepper, giving it a zesty kick. It's crafted with premium McCormick herbs and spices, ensuring the highest quality ingredients for your grilling experience. The flavor profile is rich, savory, and full of depth, perfect for marinating meats or using as a rub to enhance that smoky, grilled taste. What makes this marinade truly stand out is its versatility. Not only does it work wonders with pork, chicken, shrimp, and vegetables, but it can also be mixed with ground beef to create flavorful burgers that will impress any guest at your next cookout. If you're grilling veggies, simply toss tomatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers in this marinade, and you're ready to serve up a delicious side dish or even a pizza topping. The McCormick Grill Mates Zesty Herb Marinade Mix comes in a 1.06-ounce packet, and it's perfect for adding that extra punch of flavor. This is a must-have for anyone who loves grilling and wants to spice up their meals with minimal effort. Marinate your food for 30 minutes to 2 hours, and you'll be amazed at the results. Plus, it's simple to use, just mix with water, oil, and vinegar, and you're good to go. And don't forget to discard any leftover marinade for safety reasons. The seasoning blend is also great as a dry rub if you're looking for a quicker alternative to marinating. McCormick has been a trusted name in kitchens for years, and their Grill Mates line offers some of the best flavoring options available. This zesty herb marinade mix is no exception. It's made with the highest standards, ensuring your grilling experience is top-notch every time. So, whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or just preparing a delicious dinner, the McCormick Grill Mates Zesty Herb Marinade Mix will take your meals to the next level. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Give it a try and let it bring new life to your grilling adventures. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time for more product insights.